So here are 15 things to make sure you're not wasting your Quest 3 and 3S. Let's start with one of the most underrated things you can do in VR: travel the world without leaving your couch. Apps like Bring Traveler let you explore new spots with amazing visuals and realistic sounds, giving you the opportunity to write things down in your notebook, plus take pictures to share online. There's also Worlds, a mixed reality experience that you can play with friends by geoguessing locations while being in the middle of them. You can walk around famous landmarks, explore city streets together, and even learn fun facts about the places you visit. Think Google Earth or Maps, but way more immersive. Another fun way to kill some time in headset is by checking out a concert. I usually hop on Soapbox or Amaze VR. You can actually get private performances there from artists like T-Pain, Zara Larsson, and plenty of others. If you really want to get into it, I'd recommend throwing on some headphones and just lose yourself in the music. On Quest, you can also visit full-blown concerts. It doesn't get a ton of fresh shows these days, but you can still experience a few gigs, including ones from Blackpink, 30 Seconds to Mars, and Sabrina Carpenter. Honestly, this is one of the most underappreciated things you can do on the platform. What's cool too is that thanks to VR, you can get a front seat at a sports game. The best streaming services in this category are definitely XStadium and DAZN. It offers live and on-demand plays of plenty of sports, and on top of that you can make use of multi-camera viewing, real-time stats, and best of all, invite your friends for a watch party. Of course, it requires a subscription, but it might be worth a try. If you're looking to squeeze in a workout, the Quest is awesome. There's tons to choose from. Boxing Underdog lets you step into the ring against some tough opponents. Just Dance VR is perfect if you want to pick up some new moves, and Fit XR is great for getting your cardio in. You can even play around with mixed reality sports, or go climbing in full-on VR. Basically, no matter what you try, you're gonna have a freaking blast. Sometimes it's not about doing more, but slowing down, and the Quest is great for that too. Apps like Trip and Guided Meditation drop you into calming environments where you can practice mindfulness, focus on your breathing, or just unwind after a long day. You can flow through surreal dreamscapes, meditate on a mountain peak, or do guided sessions with chill voiceovers. If that's not your jam, then don't worry, maybe try fishing in VR. I mean, there is something about casting a line into a quiet lake, hearing the water ripple and waiting for that bite, which can feel surprisingly therapeutic. Let's say you like to play pancake titles on the side, then consider playing them on a giant virtual screen. The Xbox Cloud Gaming app or GeForce Now in the browser are options to consider. As a subscriber of both services, you can stream your favorite games from the cloud directly to your Quest, well, for example, listening to a podcast on the side or checking your social media. All you gotta do is pair your controller via Bluetooth and you're ready to enjoy the future of gaming. Creativity is a big one too. Yep, you can actually use the Quest to make art. King Spray Graffiti is one of my favorites. You can link up with other players and put together some amazing street art without worrying about having to spend time behind bars. There are loads of creative apps that just don't get enough attention. I mean, you can jump into Electronauts and make your own music, or practice drawing with pencil in mixed reality. The Quest store is full of hidden gems that unleash your inner artist in ways you never thought were possible. Before we move on to number 8, here's a message from today's sponsor, Prism XR. They've just released the Puppis S1 Lite, a sleek, high-speed Wi-Fi 6 router built specifically for wireless VR streaming. Instead of messing around with link cables or fighting with your home Wi-Fi, this little box gives your headset a dedicated high-speed connection straight to your PC. Setup is super simple. Just connect the power and your Ethernet cables and you're ready to go. With speeds up to 1500 megabytes per second, built-in optimization tools, and their Prism Pulse tech that reduces interference and latency, you can enjoy smooth and, most importantly, stable streaming on headsets like the Quest 3, 3S, 2, Pro, and even the Pico 4. So far, I've been very impressed by the performance of this cute-looking router. If you are looking to cut the cord yourself and get the best possible wireless VR experience, then check out the Prism XR Puppis S1 Lite using the link in the description below. Anyways, next up is hanging out with people online. You can invite friends into your living room, chat in mixed reality, or watch YouTube videos together straight from the official app. Since Horizon is built right into the Quest, you can also jump into different worlds and explore them with friends or complete strangers. And if that's not really your vibe, then there is always VR chat. It's one of the best spots to socialize in VR, and honestly one of the main reasons I still use my Quest on a daily basis. Switching gears a bit, let's talk spatial video. With just your phone, you can shoot these 3D style memories and then relive them whenever you want. Just upload them to the Horizon mobile app and boom, you're basically making time capsules of your favorite moments. I'm really hoping they eventually add a way to watch these together with friends in headset. One thing you don't hear much about is the educational side of VR. One of the most powerful experiences is the Anne Frank experience, where you can actually step back in time and follow her story. There are tons of other historical ones too. You can escape the Titanic as a first-class passenger or float around the ISS as an astronaut. You can even switch it up completely and learn something new, like how to play the piano or guitar. It may sound obvious, but browsing the internet using your hands is fantastic. I love doing this while lying on the couch and having multiple windows open with my social media and favorite creators. You can stay in the real world or transition to a magical place. It's totally up to you. Now, if you want, the Quest can also turn any room into a private cinema. You can blow up the screen as big as you like, dim everything around you, and drop yourself into some gorgeous virtual environments. With zero distractions, it honestly feels like the ultimate theater setup. And hey, even if you're stuck doing chores, you can still throw something on and not miss a beat. 3D movies look especially great in VR. Seeing something like Ready Player One pop out of the screen is just wild, and it doesn't stop there. You can actually step into a movie as well. Interactive experiences like Wolves in the Walls or Baba Yaga let you be part of the story, and they're perfect to show off to friends and family when you want to wow them with what VR can do. So let's talk productivity for a second. With apps like Horizon Workrooms, you can spin up your own virtual office, whether it's just you working solo or a full-on meeting with others. It's got a whiteboard, meeting rooms, and even lets people without a headset join in over video call. Another solid option is, of course, Immersed. It's kind of like hanging out in an internet cafe with randoms, but the big draw is the screen space. You can pull all your monitors into virtual or mixed reality and turn any room into a futuristic workspace. Pair a keyboard or mouse over Bluetooth and you're good to go. A genre that's up and coming are virtual pets. With mixed reality, you can have a companion in ways you never imagined. They're still pretty rare, but apps like Stay Forever Home are leading the charge, letting you decorate your real space and step into VR through portals. The only thing missing right now is the social side. How cool would it be if you could visit your friends, have your pets play together, and trade the items you've unlocked? Think Nintendogs or Animal Crossing, but far more immersive. Last but not least, let's talk about avatar creation and world building. Apps like VR Chat, Rec Room, and Horizon Worlds give you the tools to design your own character, games, or entire environments that other people can jump into. You don't need to be a pro either. Nowadays, the building tools are super approachable, and it's awesome seeing friends or total strangers hanging out inside something you made. And there you have it. Those are 15 things you can do on Quest besides just gaming. Which one's your favorite? Drop it in the comments below. Until next time, and bye bye for now.